everyone! Today, I'll guide you through an easy way to listen to music together on Discord. So, let's dive right in. Start by opening your browser and visit the website Kinbot.app. Once on the website, tap on Add to Discord. When the authorization screen appears, tap on Continue and then scroll down to tap on Authorize. Complete the human verification step by checking I am a human. Go back and open your Discord application. In your Discord server, tap on tree line icon in the top left corner and start a voice channel. Go back to your Discord server and type /play, followed by the song name, and tap enter. And that's it. The music will start playing and everyone in the voice channel can listen together. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.